Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a slow motion effect to a video in DaVinci Resolve. So I've got a clip loaded into my timeline right here, and there are two ways of making a clip slow motion. You can either change the entire clip's speed, or you can also use the retime controls. There's a third more complicated way, but maybe we can get to that in the future. So for example, I want to change the entire clip speed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the clip in our timeline, then click on change clip speed. So you're going to see an option here called speed. So you can left click it and drag it to the left if you'd like to slow it down, or you can also just double click it and then just change the speed that way. So let's say I want to change this to 30%. You want to make sure that ripple timeline is checked. That way it also extends the duration of the clip. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that as is, then change. Then I'm going to click on change. And as you can see, the clip got longer because it got slower. So if you want to do this on just a particular section of your video, for example, you can use the blade tool. You can click this button or press B on your keyboard. Then you can cut out the portion that you would like to slow down or add the slow motion effect to. Click on this, and then let's bring it down. Then click on change. And as you can see, there's a cool portion with the slow motion effect now. Another way of doing that is by using the ripple controls. So we can access that by clicking on the clip and pressing Control R. You can also just right click it and then click on the ripple or retime controls. Click on retime controls. And once that's open, you're going to see these blue arrows. So that's just a graphic to help you visualize how fast or how slow a particular portion is. So let's say I want to do the same thing and add a slow motion effect to the middle of the video. I'm going to move my playhead to where I want it to start. I'm going to click on the small arrow at the bottom of the clip, and then I'm going to click on add speed point. Then I'm going to do it again here, add another speed point. Now I can bring these two to be further apart for the slow motion effect. That way, it just helps you visualize your slow motion a bit more and maybe gives you a bit more finer controls for adjusting it. So yeah, so there's a third way of doing it, but that's with speed ramping and graphs, and that's a bit more complicated, but I'm pretty sure these two methods should work for almost everybody. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.